Today, I was talking to my friend Jay, and she watched yesterday's video and was interested in learning how to visualize properly to manifest her desires. Jay is basically a person who manifests her desires through affirmations, which works for her, but sometimes she gets bored and wants to try visualization just for fun. So, this video is dedicated to Jay and all the people like Jay who would like to try it for fun and have failed previously in doing so. So, let us first understand what visualization is. Visualization is an imaginal act in which we look at some visual scenes in our mind's eye. For example, close your eyes for a moment and listen only to my voice. I would like you to see a bucket in your imagination. Wait and look at it again for a moment. What is the color of the bucket? What is the material? Have you seen it before? Where did you see it? Great. Now open your eyes. Type the answers in the comment section of the questions that I asked. Check other viewers' comments and see the difference. For me, it was a grayish, aluminum bucket that I used in my childhood at my old house. Just see how different it is for me and you. So, the point of doing this exercise is to make you aware of these two things. 1. Have you noticed that you can visualize? Of course, you did. Congratulations, you visualized it. But sir, I didn't see it vividly. No, you did. But I was not relaxed. I first had to take some deep breaths. Stop talking. It is not a rule. 2. The fact that all the answers are different shows us that we are all unique and we only see what is natural to us. Looking at a grayish aluminum bucket feels more natural to me than at your purple plastic bucket. That is why you have heard everywhere that your visual scene and affirmations have to be something that feels natural to you. No one can tell you what the perfect visual scene would be. In the last video, my perfect visual scene was hugging my SP that manifested in my reality. It can be holding hands for you, sleeping next to them for some, having a meal together for another, kissing them. There are countless things that you can choose, but choose the one that feels natural to you. I hope you are clear about what visualization is now and why it has to be according to you. Now, let us come back to Jay. Jay was like, I can't see my SP's face clearly. What should I do? If you can't see it clearly, simply change your scene, choose something else, or if you go deep in understanding manifestation, you will realize that the fact you are doing it for your SP straight away means that you know, at a deeper level, that that person in your imaginal scene is your SP, so don't worry if you can't see it now, repeat it for some days, and you will get to see them, or you can have faith because you know who you are doing it for. Now the next question comes, like, for how many days do I have to repeat this? No one can tell you this, but from my experience, when you do it for some days, you will feel fulfilled, and you will no longer wish to continue that imaginal scene, and you will naturally let it go. When you would completely live in that moment in your mind's eye, and you would feel completely satisfied with that act. It would be a confirmation that your scene will manifest at any time soon, and when it happens, you will surely get goosebumps. And you will get to know at that particular time that you did it consciously, and it came true. Coming back to the story, Jay's last question was that I play little mind movies during the day that pop up naturally and play automatically in my mind. As I mentioned, I can't see my SP's face clearly. So, I force myself during those mind movies, and I force my eyes to see him, which causes a little bit of headache. So, if you also experience things like headaches during your visual sessions, just stop it. Doing all these things is just to make you relax and calm. It is there to make things easy for you. Don't make them difficult by forcing yourself. These teachings are there to make you understand that everything is inside of you. That in turn means you don't have to force yourself. Because forcing means that something is out of your reach, and when everything is inside of you, nothing is out of your reach. So, just enjoy your scene as is. You will see your SP's face in some other scene. Just enjoy and live in it. I always suggest everyone read Neville Goddard's work and experience it for themselves. If you'd like to buy his book, the link is in the comments section. If you liked this video and want more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Let us aim for 30,000 subscribers by the end of this month. Happy manifesting!